Hey everybody, my name's Howard. Welcome to my home machine shop. Just a little update on the Wilton Vise. We got her all smoothed up and painted. And I just used some oil-based enamel, Rust-Oleum, same color as my mill. Reason being is I had some paint left over. And I don't like to use spray paint in the garage much. Tends to get on things, and anyway, there it is. It's painted. I may let this dry and put maybe one more coat on top. Maybe not. We'll see how it flows out. Anyway, that's where we're at. And also, I made a new handle. Not yet completed. I still got to put the shoulders on the end, the steps on the end where the balls go. There you go. New shaft. Couple of new ball ends. The old shaft was bent a little bit, not real bad. But anyway, oh, and made a new pin. Where's the new pin? That's not it. That's the new pin. Where you at? Oh. Right there. That's the new pin. But paint don't look too bad. It's not as smooth as spray paint, but it'll flow out overnight some more. This stuff takes a little while to dry. And you can buff it down and put another coat on it too if you want it to be a little slicker, but it's just a vise. Alright? I think it's going to work. She looks a whole lot better. And then the lettering, I think I'll take a small brush and highlight the lettering with black like I did the mill. Kind of looks neat. And it's going to be back to work here pretty soon. And then I'll have to build a pedestal for it. But we can do that. Give me a chance to use my welder at home here. Got a lot of the grinder marks out. A lot of the dings and crap. But yet I left some of the old marks, you know, to keep that old look. But all in all, it's pretty good. Brazing worked out good. Got the end cap back in it. The nut back in it. We're good to go. Anyway, guys. That's going to be about it for now. I'm happy with the way it came out. Or is coming out. I don't have any kind of vise. I was holding off for this kind of vise. And I got a good deal on it from a friend at work through another guy. Didn't pay an outrageous price for it. Don't have much in it. So I'm real happy with it, and it's going to work real well. So anyway, thanks. We'll see you the next time. Thanks for subscribing and watching these videos. And have a wonderful day. See ya.